Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco, a car that has carved its niche in the Indian market by being the perfect blend of practicality and affordability. Whether you're considering it for your family or business needs, the Eeco continues to be a reliable and versatile choice. Let's explore everything this updated model has to offer, from its exterior and interior to performance, safety features, unique selling points, and pricing. Stick around till the end to find out if this car is the right fit for you. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco has retained its boxy yet functional design, but there are noticeable updates to give it a more modern appeal. The front grille now sports a sleeker design with chrome accents, complemented by redesigned headlamps that enhance visibility at night. The side profile remains clean and practical, offering sliding doors that make entry and exit a breeze, especially in tight spaces. The rear features updated taillights and a larger windshield for better visibility, and you'll appreciate the high ground clearance, which is perfect for Indian roads. Moving inside, the Eeco's cabin focuses on utility but doesn't skimp on comfort for the price point. The 5-seater and 7-seater configurations provide flexibility for families and businesses alike. The dashboard gets a fresh layout with a digital instrument cluster and a more ergonomic design for better accessibility. While the materials are basic, they are durable and easy to maintain, making the Eeco ideal for rough usage. The seats are comfortable with decent cushioning, and the addition of new AC vents ensures better cooling throughout the cabin. Storage compartments are thoughtfully placed, adding to the practicality of this van. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco is powered by a reliable 1.2 liters K-series petrol engine, which produces a decent balance of power and fuel efficiency. It generates around 80 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The drive is smooth, especially in city conditions, and it can handle occasional highway trips with ease. There's also a factory-fitted CNG option for those looking to save on fuel costs, delivering even better mileage figures. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort on uneven roads, and its turning radius makes it agile in crowded urban settings. Safety has been given a significant upgrade in the 2025 Eeco, aligning with Maruti Suzuki's commitment to customer well-being. The car now comes equipped with dual airbags as standard, along with ABS and EBD to ensure better braking performance. The reinforced chassis adds structural integrity, and features like reverse parking sensors make maneuvering easier and safer. While it may not have advanced driver assist features seen in premium cars, the Eeco's safety suite is commendable for its segment. The unique selling points of the Eeco lie in its unmatched practicality and affordability. It's one of the few vehicles that can seamlessly switch between personal and commercial use. The sliding doors, high roof line, and spacious interiors make it incredibly versatile. The availability of CNG ensures lower running costs, which is a big plus for fleet owners and budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its low maintenance cost and widespread service network make it a worry-free ownership experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco starts at approximately a superscript 15.50 lakh for the petrol variant and goes up to a superscript 16.50 lakh for the CNG variant, making it one of the most affordable options in its class. Considering the updates in design, features, and safety, the Eeco offers exceptional value for money. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco stays true to its roots while offering meaningful upgrades that enhance its appeal. Whether you're a business owner looking for a practical workhorse or a family in need of a spacious and reliable vehicle, the Eeco ticks all the right boxes. Its affordability, versatility, and low running costs make it a top contender in its segment. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and take care.